Hi there, YouTubers. So there's been a bit of groundbreaking news, or earth-shattering news in the Ubuntu world. Now, I'm not an Ubuntu user. Occasionally do a review on the distribution as significant releases come out. And I'd like to take you to a post titled Growing Ubuntu for Cloud and Internet of Things rather than Phone and Convergence. So that's an interesting message coming from Mark Shuttleworth. So the key of this is that I'll quote the following. We are wrapping up an excellent quarter and an excellent year for the company, with performance in many teams and products that we can be proud of. As we head into the new fiscal year, it's appropriate to reassess each of our initiatives. I'm writing to let you know that we will end our investment in Unity 8, the phone, and Convergence shell. We will shift our default Ubuntu desktop back to GNOME for Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. I'd like to emphasize our ongoing passion for, investment and commitment to Ubuntu desktop that millions rely on. We will continue to produce the most usable open source desktop in the world, to maintain the existing LTS releases, to work with our commercial partners, to develop that desktop, to support our corporate customers who rely on it, and to delight the millions of Internet of Things and cloud developers who innovate on top of it. Now, I'd like to take you further into the this article and just quote him regarding the personal effect that it's had, because we all know that Mark Shuttleworth totally endorsed, that's probably not even enough of a statement, totally promoted the idea of convergence and how Unity 8 would impact GNU plus Linux, and particularly Ubuntu, on three form factors, essentially the tablet, the phone, and the desktop. I'm going to read the following, I'm quoting. This has been, personally, a very difficult decision. Because of the force of my conviction in the convergence future and my personal engagement with the people and the product, both of which are amazing, we feel like a family, but this choice is shaped by commercial constraints, and those two are hard to reconcile. So basically, that's it, guys, for Unity 8. I personally was, at least from an outsider's point of view, looking forward to seeing the ultimate fruition of Unity 8, but I guess I should have seen the writing on the wall. It was a long time coming. There was no primary showcasing of it as the main desktop environment or main shell for Ubuntu. I had tested it on quite a few releases ago. I don't remember which Ubuntu version that it was on, but although it was not feature complete when I tested it, I saw that there was some promise. One of the aspects to this, I guess, that it'll have an impact on is the development of the Mir display server. And as we know, Mir was somewhat based on Wayland, and as a result, and we all remember, of course, the kerfuffle with Intel only taking patches that pertain to Wayland rather than Mir, as I should say, to the exclusion of Mir. So it looks like that Mir will have no place in the future as well, although no specific announcement has come from Ubuntu or Canonical regarding those. I guess in coming weeks we'll get a bit of an idea of the flavour that Ubuntu will take with its GNOME desktop. I suggest you go around and have a look on Google, have a search for comments regarding this. There's some quite acerbic comments regarding Canonical and Ubuntu really not listening to the community regarding the fragmentation as well of what Unity 8 and Ubuntu with their various decisions, including Mir, were going to mean basically taking it off in a direction that no other distribution could follow. Not to mention the fact that I don't believe that, I can't remember anyway, that many distributions were including Unity as part of their suite of desktop environments. At this point, apart from business desktops and perhaps the development laptops that Dell are producing, I don't see what role Ubuntu has anymore in the community. And that's a real shame. Maybe I'm just missing the point. I do know that there are businesses out there still using Ubuntu, but it just doesn't seem to have the same ground root support that it used to. So guys, as always, if you liked this video, please press the like button below. If you want to receive this content more often, please click subscribe. And just remember, your comments are valued and contribute to the community. So if you'd like to leave your comments and opinions below, that'd be much appreciated. Anyway guys, bye now.